11 was it in our area that we had one?
Yeah, but about we had it though.
But we had it, yeah.
You know, so that's a good thing. As we go through the rest of today, we are going to have a lot of sunshine as well. But starting out this morning, numbers are on the cool side, not so much the chilly side or the cold side of things. A little bit above average. We start you off in Owings Mills this morning at 47 degrees. It's 48. Look at this around Lochern, around Catonsville this morning. We're seeing more of the same in Arbutus. Perry Hall is at 48 degrees as well. Lutherville, the Inner Harbor, Dundalk, 51 degrees right now, and Rosedale's coming in at 49. Plenty of 49s out there this morning as well. Good morning, White Marsh and Essex. You're coming in at 49. Cape St. Clair is at 49 degrees. Let's head over towards the Eastern Shore with that temperature, and Chestertown's at 46 degrees. Centerville's at 46. We'll stay across the Eastern Shore. Easton, you're at 48 degrees right now. OC's coming in at 42, and then we head over towards the mountains. Deep Creek, you're coming in right around 50 degrees this morning. So numbers not terrible, right in between, right? I call this the baby bear forecast, right? Not too hot, not too cold. As we go into the afternoon, though, I don't know if you're going to agree with me because we are going to be well above average. So we should be at 66 degrees for our highs, and I'm going with the low 70s for today, low to mid 70s. Radar and satellite composite not picking up on a whole lot at all this morning. We will have high clouds moving in from time to time, but that is not going to block the sunshine out at all. We'll see those high wispy clouds, those cirrus clouds coming in, high pressure in control of our weather. Where this is anchored, though, we will continue with that southwesterly flow, that clockwise flow around high pressure. And then we will watch for a weak cold front to come in here this evening. And what that's going to do, that might kick up the winds a little bit, but it's going to be very weak, very dry. So no type of precip with that, no type of rain coming in across the area. But I say that we need the rain. Follow that timeline. Yeah, it'll get away from you, and we're not seeing a whole lot of changes as we go through the next several days. So once again, for today, lots of sunshine in the forecast. That will linger right into Saturday and even Sunday. Sunday we'll start to have a few more clouds out there, but it is going to be a lovely weekend. So I have friends, maybe you're doing the same thing. You could pull the barbecue pit right back out and maybe do a little grilling outside as we continue really through this afternoon, this evening, right into the weekend. For today, this is what we have. Lots of sunshine, that high temperature coming in at 73 with a lunchtime temperature at 67 degrees. I haven't said this in a while. Christian, you want to eat that lunch outside today?
I will, if you tell me to, Lynette. I will do it.
Exactly. And golf, people, golf, tennis, anything outdoors for the next several days is going to be the way to go. The rain comes in here, much needed as we head towards Tuesday, possibly a few thunderstorms as well. Now let's get a check of the traffic with Lauren.